Garvin Hofek, the COO of a Sino-German joint venture in eastern China's Jiangsu province, has started to work in China since 2012. Over the past decade, Hofek spent almost every Spring Festival holiday in his wife's hometown of Changchun County in southwest China's Guizhou province. Over the years, he has witnessed the development of China both in big cities and small counties.
Reunion. I think this is the most important part because I think everybody is busy in his daily life. So I think this is really like an anchor point where we have the possibility really everybody.
1 year, 1 time.
Exactly. At least we need to come together.
I live in China since 2012. I really can say that there are a lot of changes happen in this time, and the changes are so fast and the development is so fast. Nowadays we don't use any cash here anymore. Everything is now digital here. Our company where I work for, we still believe very strongly in the Chinese market. We still believe very strong in the next years in the market growth.